Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you a soft pink look by using Beauty Glazed Jupiter palette. I have already done one video and this is the second one. Before seeing how I create this look, please subscribe my channel. Without any further delay, let's move on to the video. I already done my eyebrows. First, for the moisturizer, I gonna to use this Mama Earth oil free moisturizer with the apple cider vinegar, and it's paraben and silicone free. But someone who have dry skin, I will not recommend you this moisturizer, and it's mainly for acne proof skin. Next step is priming. For that I'm going to use this Nykaa Prep Me Up face primer. So this is silicone based primer, and this is meant for toning and smoothing, and always love to use silicone based primer, and it's work on my skin really very well. And for the color correction, today I'm not using any orange corrector, so I'm using the popular LA Pro concealer, and I got the shade Fawn, and covering my all hyperpigmented areas in my face by using this. And I'm blending with my flat concealer brush. Next, I'm going to use my favorite foundation from Nykaa, Skinshield Anti-pollution foundation, and I'm just dotting that all over my face and gonna to blend with Beauty Blender. This is beautiful skin lightening finish foundation, and it's give very nice coverage and last for very long time. And for daily use, it's amazing stuff. You can definitely try it out. And for highlighting my face, I'm using this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in the shade Medium Tan, and gonna to highlight my under eye, nose bridge, chin and my forehead, and blending with my Beauty Blender. For contouring my face, I'm going to use this NYB concealer stick in the shade Toffee. So actually I love to do powder contouring only. I never like to do cream contour, but today I'm going to try this. By using this, going to contour my hollow cheekbones, nose, jawline and my forehead, and blending with my brush. Next, move on to set my face. I'm going to use PAC translucent powder in the shade 11. I'm going to apply tiny amount of powder, just dusting my under eye and all over my face. Next, I'm moving to eye makeup. For that, I'm using this Jupiter palette. I'm going to start with super light baby pink shade and gonna to blend this all over my crease. This shade is quite a nice color payoff, so you don't have to use a lot. Next, I'm going to use this light maroon shade and place this color on my outer V part and blending it. Next, I'm using this foil shade and applying it all over my eyelid. Next I'm using this purple shade and pressing it on my outer V area and blending it, and one a little bit darker, so I'm using this color. Next I'm using this light foil shade in my inner lid to give more highlight. This Wet n Wild eyeliner, I'm gonna to start creating a simple line above a lash line. I'm going to smoke out my eyeliner by using this maroon color and smudging it. I'm going to use a light pink color shade in my lower lash line. And also I'm using this light maroon shade and blending with flat curve brush. For waterline I'm using Wet n Wild nude liner, and also it will make eye bigger. I'm going to use some mascara. For that I'm using Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. It's really lift my upper lashes and lower lashes super long. Next for the bronzer, I'm using this Butter Bronzer by Physician Formula in the shade Deep Bronzer. Especially I love the smell. Bronzing to my cheekbones, jawline and forehead. To add some color to my cheeks, I'm going to use Biotic Natural Makeup Blush in the shade Promise in Pink, and it's very affordable too. And to highlight, I'm using sugar highlighter to my cheekbones, brow bone, nose tip and my cupid. And finally for my lips, I'm going to use Sephora lip liner in the shade Wine. And to fill my lips, I'm going to use Sugar Duo lipstick with some gloss. This is the final look I created. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, so please like and share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.